Every year, millions of animals embark on incredible migrations, traveling vast distances in search of food, breeding grounds, or better climates. One of the most astonishing is the monarch butterfly, which flies up to 3,000 miles from North America to Mexico. Then there's the Arctic tern, which travels about 44,000 miles annually between the Arctic and Antarctic, making it the farthest migratory journey known. Humpback whales are also remarkable, journeying up to 16,000 miles from feeding to breeding grounds. These migrations are not only awe-inspiring but crucial for the survival of species, showcasing nature's incredible adaptability and resilience in a changing world.